I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West and South Wales Central. Got quite a shocking story. I know I do use the word shocking, but this really is. As you can see, we have the line of signs, which are back because we've put them back. I was told today by the police who were investigating the theft was that the signs were removed by Cardiff Council. So this council, this Labour Council, has gone onto private property and removed signs which belong to us. That's criminal damage and it's theft. And we're going to have a chat to one of the residents who's not too happy about it. This is Mrs. Clements, and what do you think about this whole episode, Mrs. Clements?
I'm absolutely disgusted. I want to know what rights the council had to come into my house. I was up till 2:30 in the morning. These signs were still here, right? When I got up in the morning, they were gone.
Yeah.
So what kind of council comes beyond that time in the morning, sneaky and behind your back? Not only that, are they stupid? There's a wall going all around the property.
Yeah.
I've got a window. This is council property.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have it because they take it down. If this was Pensisley Road, would they walk into their gardens and take about? No.
Yeah.
Every single person along here owns their property. They have done since the 70s. So what rights have the council got to come into my house? Well, it's damage.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Criminal damage.
I think the reality is the council has no rights. I'm
Whatsoever.
calling, not at all, no, I'm calling on the chief executive to suspend the corporate director responsible for this. I'm not interested in the poor people who were sent out to do this job, although it seems they've done it under cover of darkness. Were they paid overtime? Also, I've been told by another resident who put a placard outside his property, it was taken down twice by the Wales and West Housing Association. I've spoken to the chief executive earlier. She is a Labour Party member. She confirms that she's a Labour Party member, and I want to know, what is a Labour Council and what is a housing association doing interfering in the political process? My major concern, and I mean this in terms of the democratic accountability and integrity of the system, these people are dealing with our postal votes. I want something done. And I'm broadcasting this. Please share this. It's an outrage. I want the BBC, I want Wales Online, get a hold of this. It's an absolute scandal. So Neil McEvoy, Plaid Cymru, Cardiff West, let's teach these people a thing or two. Vote Plaid Cymru next Thursday and let's get rid of this rotten Labour Wales. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.